Hi everybody, just finished Long Black Train, 60 by 80 square canvas. Started June 22nd, finished July 16th at 4:31 p.m. I love the building, the way it came out. Almost reminds you of being a little bit of part of history.